Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into what I believe the best cryptocurrency exchange for Canadians in 2024, and in my opinion it is bitget.com. I will walk you through why Bitget stands out and how it can benefit you in your crypto trading journey. So without further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, Bitget supports a wide array of coins. If you hover over to markets and click on markets, you will be able to see the list of all of the coins that you want to purchase on Bitget. Whether you are looking for to buy or trade major coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or you are interested in altcoins and meme coins, Bitget likely has what you are searching for. With their extensive liquidity, you can be sure you are getting the best prices with really tight spreads. Now let's talk about its fee structure. So on the spot market, Bitget charge a competitive 0.1 trade fees, but it gets even better. If you use their native BGP token, you can reduce the fees to 0.08%. Plus, if you sign up using my link that is given in the description, you will save an additional 20% on your trading fees, bringing it down to an impressive 0.064%. Now, Bitget isn't just about the spot trading. They also offers future trading with a wide range of trading pairs, recognized as a top exchange for derivatives on platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. Bitget ensures excellent liquidity. Futures trade fees are 0.02% for makers and 0.06% for takers, and you can lower these fees further with BGP token and my sign up link. For those of you who are more advanced traders, Bitget has you covered as well. They provide native charts with trading view, so you can do your charting directly on their platform or externally. If you prefer, they can also offer advanced order types, including the stop loss, take profit, trailing stops, giving you the tools needed for the successful trading. So funding your Bitget account and cashing out is also very straightforward and affordable. The cheapest way to fund your account cost would about 0.6%, and cashing out fees are quite low, especially for larger amounts. For example, cashing out around 3000 Canadian dollars will cost you less than $15, which is roughly 0.5%. So, in a nutshell, I can tell you that Bitget checks all the boxes for a top tier crypto exchange. They offer a diverse range of coins, low trade fees, margin and futures trading, advanced trading features, and the cost effective funding and cash out option. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.